Hello and welcome to another session in mathematics. In this session we'll be looking at linear equation. But before that, let us take a review of our previous lesson. Welcome back. Our focus today will be on revising what we've done on linear equation in two variables. So we'll be looking at revision in linear equation in two variables. We'll go straight to taking some examples on how to express the results of linear equation and the graph of linear equation. Assuming we are given y to be equal to 2 and we're asked to plot this in a graph. This is simple. We'll have our graph. Here is 0, remember, and here is our let's say minus 1. Here is our x and here is our y. Okay, so we have 1, 2, we have 3, and then we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and they told us that y is 2, so the value of x is not given. What do we need to do? After marking this, then we draw a line. Y equal to 2, as simple as that. Then assuming we are given x to be equal to, let's say x is equal to 3, it's just the same procedure. We'll have this x, we'll have y, we'll have 1, 2, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, and then we are given that x is equal to what? 3. This is 3. Okay, so we just draw it up. Okay, and we say that x is equal to 3. Okay, so assuming we are given another problem, let's say x plus y equal to let's say 2, using x as 0, 1 and 2, and we are asked to plot this graph. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to create a table. So we have x, and then we'll have x here, we'll have 0, we'll have 1, and then we'll have 2. Okay, these are the values of x, and then we'll have y. Okay, so when x is 0, what is y? How do we obtain that? We first of all substitute x to be 0, then we'll have 0 plus y equals 2, so y is equal to what? 2. So when x is 0, y is 2. When x is 1, when x is 1, we'll have 1 plus y equal to 2, so y is equal to 2 minus 1, which is what? 1. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, we have 2 plus y equals what? 2, and then y is equal to 2 minus 2, which is what? 0. So when x is 2, y is 0. Okay, so we now represent the information on a graph. We have something like this. Okay, here is our y, here is our x. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this is the point of origin, which is 0, and we are told that when x is 0, y is what? Y is 2. When x is 0, y is 2. This is the point. And then when x is 1, y is what? 1. When x is 1, y is 1. This is the point where the both of them intersect. Okay, then when x is 2, y is 0. When x is 2, here y is what? 0. So this is the point. Okay, we then join these 3 points, join them together. Therefore, we now have what looks like what? A triangle. Okay, and then here we write that x plus y is equal to what? 2, because that is what gave us what? This equation. Okay, let us take one more example. Assuming we are given 5x plus 2y to be equal to, let's say, 10. What do? We substitute the value of x to be 0. We have 5 into 0 plus 2y equal to 10. This is 0 now, so 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is what? 5. So when x is 0, y is 5. Okay, that's the first value of what? X. Okay, then we start the second one. When y is 0, what is x? If y is 0, we have 5x plus 2 into 0 equals 10, and then we have 5x to be equal to 10. X is equal to 10 divided by 5, which is what? 2. Is that clear? Okay, so we start with the first value of x. First value of x is 0, and then when x is 0, the first value of y is 5. Then the second value of x is the point where x is what? Is 2. And then y is what? Y is 0. So we now plot these two what? Points. We draw our line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is our y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is our x. Okay, and this is 0. So this is our x and this is our y. When x is 0, y is 5. X is 0, y is what? 5. This is the point. And then when x is 2, y is 0. When x is 2, y is 0. So we join these two lines. Okay, your work should be neat than mine. So at this point we say that this is 5x plus 2y equal to 0. Okay, so that's all about linear equation. So thank you for being part of today's class. We'll stop here, and our next class will go over to graphical inequality. Okay, inequality involving graph. So to refresh your memory on what we've done so far, kindly provide the answer to the following questions on the screen. Welcome back. So far we've dealt with linear equation, and we'll stop here. So do well to use the lesson note on the platform for better information on what we've just done, and feel free to leave a question or your comment on the comment section. Till meet again in our next class, stay safe and bye.